A man charged with first-degree murder will go to trial after a Tulsa County judge denied his request today for immunity under the Stand Your Ground law. News on 6's Taylor Newcomb is on the story, new at 5.
The judge ruled William Bridges was not immune under the Stand Your Ground law, but said he could still use self-defense in trial. I talked to a former district judge who says there's a very fine line between the two. William Bridges' attorney says he was in fear for his life when he shot and killed a man inside his home in February, but a judge ruled he was not immune under the Stand Your Ground law.
So that is the context of Stand Your Ground. It's in your home, your vehicle, in a place where you're entitled to be, and in a circumstance in which you or yourself are not committing a crime.
The judge said Bridges failed to prove Christopher Caulfield was an intruder because Bridges invited him inside his home. The judge also said Caulfield was unarmed and that Bridges was in the process of committing a crime because he had marijuana in his possession. These are just a few of the reasons the judge says Stand Your Ground does not apply, but he says self-defense might. Former District Judge William Kello says there's more leeway under the Stand Your Ground law.
The difference is from your perspective, did you reasonably believe that that intrusion was occurring, not from the perspective of anyone else?
Whereas self-defense is more open.
Was their fear reasonable from the perspective of an average person? And that's called self-defense.
Kello says he can't say what call he would have made had he been in this judge's position.
I'd have to say I'd have to hear all the evidence, as the judge would obviously say.
But the judge in this case says Bridges will have to stand trial. On the scene on the story in Tulsa, Taylor Newcomb, News on 6.